Hello there, let's take a look at the weather for the week ahead. Now, there's still plenty of wintry weather to come in the forecast, particularly for the northern half of the UK, where we will see some more snowfall. The amounts are starting to rack up in Conwy in Wales, as snapped by a weather watcher here, and there are 3 amber weather warnings in force issued by the Met Office, valid until Friday morning for heavy snow and for ice, the first to expire through the small hours across Northern Ireland. There could be some freezing rain across North Wales into Shropshire, and treacherous travelling conditions too across the Pennines, with blizzards and drifting snow, some very strong winds around as this deep area of low pressure ever so slowly tracks its way southwards. It will clear throughout the day tomorrow. The snow clears first across Northern Ireland tomorrow morning, and then across North Wales, and eventually the falling snow should clear from the Pennines too. But the snow risk transfers further southwards into parts of southeast England just for a short time, and East Anglia, and then we'll see a northerly wind develop. Lots of dry, bright weather, but also the chance of some snow showers tracking down on that northerly through Scotland in particular. It's going to be feeling cold wherever you are, with temperatures in low single figures for many and plenty of added wind chill. But the winds do ease down on Friday night into Saturday, and there'll be a widespread sharp frost underneath largely clear skies away from that far southwest coast. Temperatures possibly as low as -9, -10 Celsius in northern England. Now, on Saturday, we've got our approaching weather front. That's bringing rain again towards the south, but further north across much of northern Wales, the higher ground of Northern Ireland as well, and into northwest England, there could be some more snowfall potentially, and then that snow risk will transfer further eastwards across northern England and Scotland through the night. Now, it does look like it's going to be turning a lot milder by the time we get to Sunday. Another weather front is moving in from the southwest, dragging in that milder feeling air, but it's also going to be wet and windy. The cold air hangs on across northern Scotland, but elsewhere I think we'll see temperatures easily get into double figures, so 10 to 13 degrees Celsius for much of the UK. Now, next week, for most of us, it's a mild, very unsettled start. The cold air still towards the far north of Scotland though. So let's take a look in a little bit more detail. This is the pressure chart. A deep area of low pressure swinging its way northwards and eastwards on Sunday into Monday. There'll be some strong gusty winds on this, and also some outbreaks of rain, and it will be falling as rain across the vast majority of the UK, apart from of course the far north of Scotland, where we've still got that cold air hanging on. So across the Highlands again there will be some more snowfall. But look at these temperatures, a vast improvement on where we are at the moment, 13 degrees Celsius for some. But the mild air doesn't last, because then we've got a northerly wind developing on Tuesday, and that's going to help to bring down this very cold air from the north. So it should be largely dry and bright on Tuesday. In fact, there'll be a lot of sunshine around. And with that northerly wind, then although we see the sunshine, there will be plenty of added wind chill. So a drop in temperature again in that colder feeling air on Tuesday. And of course, it will be feeling colder than this in exposure to that wind. Again, possibly some snow showers across parts of Scotland. But later next week, well, that mild air is set to return. So here it is, just sweeping in from the Atlantic. Again, it will be rather unsettled at times. The cold air still hanging on for the north of Scotland though, where we could see some more snowfall from these showers. But elsewhere, they will be falling as rain. It will be rather windy at times, but as we head towards next weekend, possibly an Azores high building in. So by then it should be dry, feeling a lot more like spring.